The term of 17th Lok Sabha is due to expire on the 16th June 2024. So, as per Article 324 of the Constitution of India, bestows the relevant power, duties, functions upon the Election Commission of India, while Article 83(2) of the Constitution of India and Section 14 of the Representation of the People Act 1951 provide for the conduct of the elections to constitute a new Lok Sabha before the expiry of its current term. In view of the constitutional and legal provisions, the Election Commission of India has made comprehensive preparation for the conduct of elections to the 18th Lok Sabha in a free, fair, participative, accessible, inclusive, transparent and peaceful manner. Accordingly, Honorable Chief Election Commissioner of India has made a press conference today and the schedule of the Lok Sabha elections has been announced for the 18th Lok Sabha elections. As per that schedule, the elections of the Lok Sabha in respect to Meghalaya state is concerned, it will be in the first phase as per the schedule given here. So, Meghalaya has 2 parliamentary constituencies and the date of the issue of notification is 20th March 2024. Last date for filing nominations will be 27th March 2024 on Wednesday. Scrutiny of nominations will be on 28th March 2024 and last date of withdrawal of candidature is 30th March 2024. Polling will held on the 19th April 2024 and votes will be counted on the single day across the country and that will be on the 4th June 2024. And as per fact related to elections in Meghalaya is concerned, we have 2 parliamentary constituencies, Shillong ST and Tura ST. Shillong comprises 36 assembly segment and Tura comprises 24 assembly segment and across the 12 districts altogether. Meghalaya has total population of 29,66,889 as per 2011 census and we have total projected population as per 2024 is 34,32,529. We have recently completed our special summary revision and as on 5th January 2024, we have total 22,17,100 electors, out of which 10,94,947 male and 11,22,150 female voters and 3 gender voters are in E-roll of Meghalaya. As per EP ratio in 2024, it is 646, which was 507 in 2018, and gender ratio is also 1025, which is more than the ER ratio in 2018 that was 1019. So total service voters we have 3,835. Total PWD voters we have 11,179. We have 5 NRI electors. Photo in electoral roll has already 100% completed and it is also been prepared. Meghalaya has now total 3,512 polling stations, out of which 326 urban and 3,186 rural polling stations are there. And we have 2,911 polling stations location and out of which 189 are in urban area and 2,722 are in rural areas. Average number of electors per PS is 631. We have total women managed 60 polling stations are planned and youth managed 37 polling stations are also being planned. Total model polling stations we will have 60, similar number to the assembly segments, and as per polling stations are concerned, we have 2399 polling stations will be the single PS. 466 PS locations have 2 polling stations, while 9 polling locations have 3 polling stations, while 33 are having 4 PS locations.